In this video, we will discuss the importance of mobile for your advertising on Amazon. We will also talk about what you can do to ensure you are winning on mobile. During this discussion, we'll cover how do ads look on mobile, how to optimize sponsored products on mobile, how to optimize sponsored brands on mobile. According to Global Stat Counter, more than half of customer traffic comes from mobile or tablet devices. Top ad placements on those devices are getting more and more competitive. First, let's see how the shopper experience looks on mobile devices. The first sponsored products placement in search results on mobile is at the top, but the second sponsored products placement in search results may not be until the 11th spot. For sponsored brands, shoppers initially only see the main image and the headline. The shopper can swipe through the ad to see the 3 products that are eligible to show up in the sponsored brand's ad. For sponsored products, the 2 most important factors for getting a click are the main image and the title. Make sure your product titles are optimized for mobile. The title truncates between 73 and 91 characters compared to desktop, where it truncates at about 111 and 114 characters. Ensure the most important part of your title fits within the limits for mobile. Title lengths may vary by placement and screen size. We recommend that you test searches on various devices to see how your title will show up and what shoppers might see. Once a shopper clicks on your ad, they are taken to your product detail page. On mobile devices, descriptions show up before bullet points. It is important to optimize your description and make it easy to digest, especially for mobile shoppers. To boost your conversion rate, consider all these factors: high-quality images, star rating and/or reviews, keyword-optimized product title, bullet points, detailed description, shipping speed, and FBA. For sponsored brands, mobile shoppers will only initially see the main image and the headline. Concentrate on your ad creative and consider how your ad will appear on mobile. We recommend using a brand logo as your main image, but you can also upload a product image. Write a compelling headline that clearly states your value proposition and unique selling point. For more tips on ad creatives, check out our Getting Creative with Sponsored Brands video. We recommend linking your sponsored brands ads to your store page. It is also important to consider how your store appears on mobile devices. On mobile, only your first 2 pages have visible links from the menu. If the page is significant to your brand or business, consider modifying the page order to make it more visible by rearranging the layout so your most popular products appear first. You can also think about driving customers to a specific page in your advertising and marketing campaigns. Remember, make sure you consider how your ads appear on mobile and optimize accordingly. The Sponsored Brands Product Collection ad format allows you to link to your store from your ad to help shoppers explore your full selection and brand. Here's how to set it up. First, choose the Product Collection ad format. You'll see options for your landing page, which is where your ad will link to. Here, choose your store as the landing page. Use the drop-down option to choose your store and which page in your store you'd like to send shoppers to. Add a custom image to your Sponsored Brands Product Collection campaign to help tell your brand story. Here's how. When you're setting up your campaign, you'll find an option in the Creative section to include a custom image. From here, add your image, like one showing your product in use. You can either upload one from your computer or choose from images you've already added to your creative assets. Make any adjustments, then click Done when you're ready. Let's look at how to add subpages to your store. When you go to edit your store, in the Store Builder, start by adding a new page. Give it a title and a description, and then pick a layout. We have page templates that you can customize, or you can start from scratch with a blank page. Create your new page and add your content to it, section by section. When you're ready, submit for publishing. We recommend having at least 3 subpages in your store to help shoppers explore your products and brand. Let's look at how to add negative keywords to a campaign that's already running.
Say you're advertising a premium product and you don't want your ad to appear when customers use queries like cheap because these aren't relevant for customers. Find your campaign or ad group. In the menu on the left, you'll find the negative targeting option. From here, click on the button to add negative keywords. Enter your negative keywords, set the match type, add them, and click Save. Now, your ad won't appear when shopper search terms match your negative keywords. Keyword match types help you control where your ads appear. There are 3 ways to set them in your campaigns. First, you can use Amazon's suggested keywords. By default, each one includes the 3 match types to choose from: broad, phrase, and exact. Add whichever match types you'd like to your targeting. If you're entering your own list of keywords, make sure the match types you want to include are checked off at the top. Lastly, you can bulk upload a list of keywords. In this case, our template includes a column for the match type.